If you have a gift card and you want to redeem it inside of Deezer, in this video, let me show you how. To redeem any gift card of Deezer, you need to open up the app and then head over to the profile section. You can also do this process inside of the web app if you're using a PC or laptop. So from this section, tap on the settings icon on the top right. And here you'll see the section called account management. Tap on the account management option, and under the my subscription plan, you'll see the option called enter a code. If you tap on this section, you'll be taken to a new page where you can activate or enter in the code that you have for this particular gift card. So enter in your gift card code or the promo code that you have, and then you can just tap on submit. Once you do this, your account will be credited with Deezer's premium for the duration depending upon the card. The duration could be 1 month, 3 months, or even 12 months. So depending upon which type of card you have, the duration and the plan as well will be different for your Deezer's account. Another thing to note is not every country or every region will accept the Deezer's gift card. So make sure that you're in a region where you can redeem these gift cards inside of Deezer. If this video was helpful to you, do let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. Also make sure to hit that notification bell so you get notified for more future videos.